Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to install MySQL connector. And why would we want to install MySQL connector? Well, MySQL connector is going to allow us to connect to MySQL database and start building our API. So the first step is that you need to open up a fresh terminal. If you are using Mac, you need to open up the terminal. You can search for the terminal, which is this, and then you can open up that terminal. If you are using Windows, you need to open what's called CMD. Just search for CMD, and you will be able to open that CMD, which is also known as the command prompt. And then in that terminal or command prompt, you need to type the following command. You need to say pip, and then install, and then mysql hyphen connector, and then hyphen Python. And if you are using Python 3, and you should be using Python 3, then you need to say pip3, and then install mysql hyphen connector hyphen Python, and then hit enter. And this is going to start installing MySQL connector. And if it's already installed, it's going to say here requirement already satisfied, because I have already installed MySQL connector. And if this doesn't work for you for some reason, just remove this 3 and just say pip without 3. Just say pip install MySQL connector Python. This in case Python 3 doesn't work, you need to say pip install MySQL connector. But if you have installed Python 3 correctly, this command pip3 install MySQL connector will work for you.